Welcome to the CKK Rapid Fire two-piece holster tutorial featuring Christian Green. This is a tutorial for advanced holster makers. The first thing you want to do is gather your tools together, making sure that you have everything you're going to need for this project. Next, we'll want to measure and score our working kydex, making sure to leave enough material to fully cover your weapon. Don't worry, you can always cut off the excess at the end of the project. Make clean score marks and fully break your material. In this case, we're going to be making it using two pieces of kydex of different colors. Then you'll want to preheat your oven. We recommend 305 to 325 working range, that's Fahrenheit. Place your kydex in the oven. Try to center it up on your center rack. Get a handy thermometer ready to go so that you can test the surface temperature. Once you have it up to temperature, pull it out safely. Place it in your forming press. The bottom piece should be placed in the center of the press. Then place your weapon on top. And finally, add your top piece and your top plate. Press it down, clamp it down, and let the press cool. Then take it out. While you have it formed over the weapon, make your marks for your eyelet placements. Use a drill guide to drill your holes around the outer extremity of the holster. Then place it inside of your flaring press with the unfinished side of the eyelet upward. You should be ready to cut out your excess material, and this final step is really an artistic step. Once you're happy with the design, go ahead and sand off the edges. Finally, test your weapon to make sure that it locks in place fully. If you'd like to see this presentation in its full detail, check our 20-minute version, the Advanced Two-Piece Holster Presentation by CKK Industries. Thank you for watching.